To get started, I go to my OpenSearch user interface and sign in. In OpenSearch dashboards, I navigate to Discover from the left navigation pane. To use natural language to explore the data, make sure to switch to PPL language in order to show the prompt box. I choose the Amazon Q icon in the main navigation bar to open the Amazon Q panel. I enter the following prompt in the Ask a Natural Language Question text box. When results appear, Amazon Q automatically generates a summary of these results. Let's look into how to generate visualizations directly from natural language descriptions. I choose Generate Visualization from Amazon Q panel. Click Edit Visual and enter Show Me a Pie Chart in the input field and click Apply button. In a moment, you can find the result. Thanks for watching.